Hi, my name is George, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Prostaviv, how it works, the benefits, and why so many men are talking about it right now. If you've ever dealt with frequent bathroom trips at night, weak urine flow, or simply felt frustrated with changes in your prostate health and energy levels, stay with me for a moment. Before we go any further, let me make one small, honest agreement with you. If at the end of this video you don't feel Prostaviv is right for you, just say no, no pressure at all. But if you do like what you see and it makes sense for your routine and your budget, let's agree you'll take action today instead of putting it off. Fair deal? So, what is Prostaviv and why are so many men quietly adding it to their daily routine? Prostaviv is a natural prostate support formula created to help maintain healthy urine flow, support prostate function, and promote better vitality and confidence, even during stressful days or restless nights. Its formula combines carefully selected ingredients such as tonkarali, ashwagandha, panax ginseng, maca root, and nettle root. Instead of relying on temporary fixes, Prostaviv works from the inside out, helping support healthy circulation, prostate wellness, and overall male performance naturally. Each batch is produced under strict quality standards and tested for purity and safety, so you know exactly what you're putting into your body. Thousands of men have already made ProstaVive part of their daily routine, and many report feeling more confident, energized, and comfortable throughout the day and night. Of course, everybody is different. Some people begin noticing better comfort and improved energy within the first couple of weeks, but the most meaningful and lasting results typically appear after 1 to 3 months of consistent use, as the body has time to respond naturally. What surprised me the most wasn't just the improved flow. It was the sense of confidence and relief it brought. I could sleep more peacefully, enjoy my daily routine, and feel more comfortable without constantly worrying about bathroom trips or discomfort. There was no pressure, just steady, natural improvement that fit easily into real life. That's why Prostaviv comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You're not asked to believe promises, you simply observe how your body responds. I made this video for one simple reason, to share something that genuinely worked for me and helped me feel more comfortable and confident again. And because when a product truly helps people, low-quality imitations tend to appear, which is why it's important to be careful where you buy it. If you decide to try ProstaVive, consistency matters. Use it exactly as recommended and give your body the time it needs to respond naturally. Every capsule is produced under strict quality controls and tested multiple times for purity and safety. Your journey is personal, but solutions that support the root cause instead of masking discomfort are the ones that create lasting change. That's why so many men choose to keep Prostaviv as part of their daily routine. If this resonates with you, the official link is right below this video in the description and the first pinned comment. Take this step for yourself and allow your body and mind to feel more comfortable, energized, and confident again, naturally.